In our first video, we explained how to connect and use the basic USB Quattro, which we refer to as Model MT301. The Model MT301 includes a USB connector used for data communication through your computer-based system. It has an external loudspeaker connector and the two daisy chain connectors on the two side walls. Under this cover, there is room for an optional interface card that will allow you to use the Quattro with a communication line in addition to the USB communication. There are two ways to order these optional interfaces. One would be to order a Quattro with the pre-fitted card. The other is to order the interface module and install it yourself. These are the secondary interfaces that are offered with the Quattro 3. The first is an analog telephone interface. The interface card will communicate with an analog telephone line, sometimes referred to as a public switched telephone network, or PSTN. This interface comes with a built-in dial pad with its own display, and when connected to the Quattro, will enable the Quattro to connect to your telephone line, dial out, or take a call, just like any other telephone. The interface comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, so you can use the Quattro without it being connected to a power supply. A Quattro installed with this interface is referred to as an MT302, while the interface card by itself is referred to as the MT322. The interface has a standard telephone jack and a DC jack to support the powered chain scheme, which we will discuss in another video. The unit and the interface are supplied with the telephone cable required to connect the Quattro to the telephone line. This second interface has a 2.5mm headset jack and a special cable that will connect your Quattro to any smartphone or tablet. You can also use a cable splitter and connect your Quattro to a video codecs analog I/O. This interface also comes with a built-in rechargeable battery. A Quattro installed with this interface is referred to as an MT303, while the interface card by itself is referred to as the MT323. In addition to the headset jack, the interface has a DC jack to support the power chain scheme. As you already have noticed, the optional interface cards all come with a DC jack that supports our powered chain scheme. However, this jack does not exist in the basic MT301 unit. If you need to support the powered chain scheme with the basic unit, you can use our third interface card, which we refer to as the power chain card, or the MT324. This card has only a DC jack, and it does not add any connectivity to your Quattro, but only the ability to support powering a chain of Quattros from a single power source. A unit that is pre-fitted with this card is called the MT304. Our fourth interface is the IP phone interface. Just like the PSTN interface, it comes with the built-in dial pad. It will connect to any network and behave like any other IP phone. The Quattro unit with this interface is called the MT305, and the interface card by itself is called the MT325. Since this interface supports power over Ethernet, it does not have a built-in battery. Now, how do you retrofit your Quattro with the interface card you just purchased? Place your Quattro upside down on a protective surface to prevent it from scratching. Unscrew the two screws holding the interface cover to the Quattro. Screw the cover into place using the same two screws you took out before. You are now ready to work. Note that with the other interfaces, you will have to place the card into the connectors separately before placing the plastic cover in the same manner.